In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the TradingView Desktop application on your Windows laptop. We'll walk through this straightforward process, ensuring you have everything you need to get started quickly. First, make sure that your Windows laptop is turned on and you're ready to browse the internet. Open up your preferred browser, which for today's purpose is Google Chrome. Once you have your Chrome browser open, the first thing you'll need to do is direct it to the TradingView website, specifically to the page for desktop downloads. In the address bar located at the top of your browser, type in https:/www.tradingview.com/desktop and then hit enter on your keyboard. This will take you straight to the TradingView Desktop page where we can proceed with the download. Now that you're on the TradingView Desktop page, you'll notice there's an option to download the application right onto your Windows machine. Look for the button that says Download for Windows. It should be prominently displayed on this page. Go ahead and give that button a click. Your browser will prompt you to save the download file to your computer. A dialog box usually appears asking if you want to save this file. Click on Save, allowing the TradingView Setup file, often named TradingViewSetup.exe, to download onto your computer. Depending on your connection, this might take a few moments, so sit tight while it completes. After the download finalizes, it's time to run the installer. If you're using Chrome, you'll typically find the downloaded file displayed at the bottom of your browser in the Downloads bar. But if for some reason it's not visible there, you can also locate it in your Downloads folder on your computer. Once you spot the file, go ahead and click on it to start running the installer. Next, you'll see the Setup wizard open. This is where the installation magic happens. Follow the instructions provided on the screen. For most installations, it's a matter of clicking Next a few times and then Install, allowing the program to set itself up on your machine. The Setup Wizard does a great job of guiding you through the process, so just follow its lead. Upon completing the installation, you'll reach the end of the Setup Wizard. Here, you'll have an option to either launch TradingView right away by clicking Finish, or open it later from your Start menu. Let's click Finish for now to immediately dive in. Lastly, to start using the TradingView app, you'll need to either log in or create an account. If you already have a TradingView account, just enter your credentials. If not, don't worry. Creating a new account is a breeze. Follow the prompts to set up your account and you'll be ready to explore all that TradingView offers. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and installed the TradingView Desktop application on your Windows laptop. Enjoy exploring the power of TradingView at your fingertips.